In my last video, I restored an Apple IIc, but during that video, I also did a small experiment to see what Retrobrite would do to the paper shield inside the IIc. The results were terrific, but today I want to see what happens if I do the same thing to the entire paper shield. To see what happens, stay tuned. This is the shield I'll be attempting to restore back to a cleaner looking white color and hopefully with little or no rust and grime stains. I'll follow the basic Retrobrite process, and this time I picked up the clear hydrogen peroxide from the salon supply store. One other experiment I want to repeat is recycling the hydrogen peroxide. My last Retrobrite test using recycled hydrogen peroxide didn't remove any yellowing, but I think it was because of the UV light strength. I'll try this test again in a future video using the clear hydrogen peroxide. One thing different from my last Retrobrite video is I made these adjustable stands out of PVC. I designed them so they're small enough to place around the soaking tub and adjustable enough to direct the light to handle most situations I felt I'd encounter. With everything set up, I'm going to leave the shield for 12 hours, after which I'll be back to see how the shield looks. I was supposed to check on this after 12 hours, but I'm about to go to bed, so I decided to check on it after 6 hours. I probably should have turned on normal lighting, but the shield does look like there's a lot less stains throughout. I'll leave it for the rest of the 12 hours and see how things look in the morning. After 6 hours, things were already looking good, so it's not surprising that it's now been 12 hours and the shield looks great. The large stain patches are gone, and the shield looks a lot better than what I started out with. There are very small remnants of stain left, but very small. There's also some blistering that occurred, but that has nothing to do with the Retrobrite. It was a quick experiment I did afterwards that didn't work out. One last thing I want to cover are these UV light stands I made from PVC. For this project, they worked well. They're small enough so I can position them anywhere around the tub, and height adjustment is by a friction slider that can be moved up and down the vertical post. Very simple construction and very useful. I hope this video has been as informative to you as it has for me. Leave your questions and comments in the comment section below. That's all I have for now, and I'll catch you in the next video.